Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix cannot send audio messages at this time. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Check the iMessage settings. For that, open the settings menu on your OS device. In the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Then scroll down and find messages and tap on it. Here, make sure iMessage is turned on. Solution 2. Turn off sound recognition. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, scroll down and tap on sound recognition. Here, make sure sound recognition is turned off. Solution 3. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. In general settings, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings in the pop-up menu. Enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap on reset network settings to confirm that you want to reset your network settings. Solution 4. Check the software update. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. In general settings, tap on software update. Here, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Solution 5. Force start your iPhone. For that, press and hold the side button and the volume up button together until you see the Apple logo appear. Then drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then press the side button to turn on your iPhone. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.